Renovation works inside the church had already been completed at the end of the 17th century. But from outside, the facade of the Church of St. Faustinus still revealed its Romanesque Gothic history. The interventions that would make it the Baroque masterpiece we can admire today are due to the testamentary bequest of the nobleman Orazio Fenaroli, as can be read clearly from the cubital inscriptions on the exterior. In reality, it was not always so easy for the municipality to recover that money, often having to make advance payments. However, construction works never stopped from 1698 to 1711, the year the work was completed. The history of the facade tells of great Brescian excellence. Starting from its material, Botticino stone, that very important stone that over the centuries, from the Capitoline Temple, has shaped the architectural history of the city of Brescia. Moreover, the facade is embellished in its statuary by iron ornaments. But it is the craftsmen who epitomize Brescia's excellence, starting with Giuseppe Cantoni, known for his altars, who took care of the entire facade project and also made many of the ornamental friezes on the second order. Or the Agnes, a family of stone carvers, and the Spaccamonti, the quarrymen, many of them anonymous, from the Botticino area, who, with extreme skill, would split those mountains to extract the precious white material, the color of milk, and transport it here. But above all, it is through statuary that the greatness of Brescian Baroque is told. The hands of Santi Caligari the Elder, the progenitor of the great family of Brescian builders and sculptors, realized the masterpiece. Next to the two statues of the patron saints Faustinus and Jovita, the high relief that appears in the first order above, in the middle of the interrupted gable, best expresses the great progenitor's skill. The high relief culminates in the figure of the executioner, completely detached from the background, with his drawn iron sword jutting out of the frame and ready to fall on the martyr's neck, whose gaze is already turned towards the palm that an angel is showing towards him from a cloud. Close to the facade, we can see the oldest part of the church, the bell tower. The 9th century bell tower is preserved up to the first belfry, making this the oldest bell tower in the city. The summit is dominated by one of the oldest weather marks, Rampertus Rooster. Today, the precious original manufacture is housed in the Santa Giulia Museum. And more than the signs of time, it bears the marks of the rifles of the bored soldiers of the Venetian garrison, who would shoot at the poor Rooster's feathers to kill time from the top of the castle.